Okay. As we were discussing yesterday, the bipolar and related disorders, and under this category, we have also discussed about the suicide. And we have discussed the definition, how you'll give a very brief introduction about it. Then we discussed about various risk factors involved in this. And then we have given some of the measures suggested by WHO. After that, same topic is going on, identifying students in distress. See, this is also a kind of intervention we can make to prevent suicide. What does this saying? Identifying students in distress by taking these points in consideration. If a child all of a sudden lack interest in common activities, all of a sudden a student is not able to score good marks, his or her grades are declining, the person is also not putting his effort, misbehaving in the classroom, mysterious or repeated absence, the student is not attending the class, right? Smoking or drinking or drug misuse. So these are certain factors which we can keep in mind, and we can identify such students. And what does it show? That students are suffering from some kind of distress, and there is a need to help them out at very fast pace as early as possible. Self-esteem. Now next point is strengthening students' self-esteem. I hope you understand this word by now. What is the meaning of self-esteem? As we have done this in chapter number 2, the basic, literally what does it mean? Your self-worth, your self-value, right? What kind of value, what kind of worth you have yourself, about yourself in your perception. So you are clear about your capabilities, that I'm good in these things, right? You are very clear about your strong points. So this is all about your self-esteem. Now, in order to foster positive self-esteem in children, the following approaches can be useful. They are suggesting some approaches through which we can increase or foster or enhance a person's self-esteem. What are they? The first one is to provide them to accentuating positive life experiences to develop positive identity. This increases confidence in self. See, if someone is having positive experiences in his life, so he will start developing a positive identity about himself and herself, that is self-perception, a positive one. And what will it result? It will result in increasing the confidence level, right? The next one is providing opportunities for development of physical, social, and vocational skills. All these things have to be kept in mind, the physical, social, and vocational skills. Lot of opportunities should be there in front of students. Lot of choices should be there. No forced decision should be there. So if there are choices available, if there are alternatives available, you people can choose